People are the most creative when they are children. But the tools they use to create have not changed for years.
Hi, I'm Rustem, and this is the ROBOCUBE, and it will change how our kids learn about technology.
Introducing Robo Wunderkind, a revolutionary robotics kit for kids of all ages, which can be programmed and controlled with smartphones and tablets. RoboCubes can be attached from either side so you can make different robots.
2 years ago, I was studying computer science at the Vienna University of Technology, and I was building robots on Arduino platform. My friends were fascinated by what I was doing, and they also wanted to build their own robots, but there was no fun and simple way for them to get started. This is why I decided to create a robot that would be easy to build with code and would be accessible for everyone.
We're embedding different electronics such as microcontrollers, sensors, motors, and even cameras into the cubes. This way, kids can easily build unique robots with different functions and in any shapes they can imagine.
I think it's really important that kids get introduced to technology at a very young age, and I think Robo is a really interesting platform for enabling these kinds of things that sort of makes the robotics technology accessible.
The biggest engineering challenge for our team was to create a connection system between the cubes. We've created a technology that will be easy to grasp even for a 5-year-old child, and it works perfectly. Just attach the cubes, build a robot, and connect it to your tablet via Bluetooth.
We've created an intuitive app that kids really love. You don't have to write any code to program the robot. Just drag and drop blocks in the app and press start. Teachers love the way kids learn by playing with the robot. That's why we've also developed a curriculum for teachers on how to use Robo Wunderkind in the classroom.
Robo introduces the younger students to authentic 21st century skills, and it targets an age group that sometimes doesn't really have that opportunity.
Children learn by playing and experimenting, and I can't think of a better thing to support than Robo, where students are having fun but they are learning.
With our amazing robotics kit, we are teaching children 3 key skills: robotics, coding, and creative thinking. And there is one more thing. We've made an adapter that will make Robo Wunderkind compatible with your Legos. All of our backers on Kickstarter will receive these adapters so that you can bring your toys to a whole new level.
We started working on Robo Wunderkind 2 years ago to make education in coding and robotics fun and simple.
And now we need your help to start production.
Support Robo on Kickstarter to make technology accessible for everyone and everywhere.